Fellas, ever notice how a woman's interest can go from hot to cold overnight? One minute, she's all over you. The next, she's distant. But here's the truth. Attraction isn't just about feelings. It's about emotional stimulation. And if you don't understand this, you'll always find yourself chasing women who are losing interest. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly why women test men, how to handle it like a boss, and why the key to attraction is never chasing. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to flip the script and make her chase you. But here's the truth. A lot of the time, she's not pulling away because she lost interest. She's pulling away just to test how much power she has over you. And no, this isn't always some calculated move. Women don't necessarily plan it, but they do feel it instinctively. Women need emotional ups and downs to stay engaged. If everything is too predictable, too smooth, too easy, excitement fades. You ever notice how the nice guys always finish last? It's not because women don't like kindness. It's because those guys don't create any emotional stimulation. They're too available, too predictable, and worst of all, too easily controlled. That's the real problem. Now, when a woman starts pulling back, most guys panic. They start texting more. They start asking why she's acting different. They chase. And in that moment, they fail the test. Because women instinctively test a man's strength by seeing how he reacts to her shifts in attention. She wants to know, can this guy handle it if I'm not always there? Is he emotionally stable, or will he fall apart the second I pull back? If you constantly chase her, blow up her phone, and try to fix things when she pulls away, she sees that she controls you emotionally. And once she realizes she can control you, she loses attraction. But if you don't chase, if you hold your ground, stay calm, and keep living your life, that's when things start to shift. Because now she respects you. You're showing her without saying a word that you're not desperate for her attention. You're showing her that you have a life that doesn't revolve around her. And that is attractive. Women don't want a man they can push around emotionally. They want a man who values himself enough to walk away if necessary. Here's the funny thing. The more you chase, the more she pulls away. But the moment you stop chasing, the moment you shift your focus back to your own life, she starts thinking about you more. She starts wondering why you're not reacting. And suddenly, she's the one chasing you. The biggest mistake guys make is getting too invested when a woman starts pulling away. They see it as a sign that they need to do more, when in reality, they should be doing less. Women respect men who don't panic when their attention shifts. So next time she pulls away, don't overreact, don't chase, don't stress. Instead, keep living your life. If she's truly into you, she'll come back. And if she doesn't, then she was never truly interested in the first place. Attraction isn't about chasing, it's about respect. And the moment you start needing her attention is the moment you lose your power. So stay focused on yourself, build your life, and let her come to you. If you crave more thought-provoking content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.